Before getting into the coding for this set of videos, I'd like to discuss the different Pandas data visualization and statistics tools that can be used to create insight from the building operations phase. In this set of videos, we will use thermal comfort data from a group of people in the built environment. This type of analysis focuses on a population of people with the goal of understanding the diversity of thermal comfort behavior. There are three segments to this type of analysis. First, we want to understand correlation between different variables. Next, we want to investigate the statistical distributions of occupant feedback. Finally, we will use these analysis techniques to make informed decisions. The first Pandas object that we will look at is called the describe function. This function aggregates columns in a data frame using common descriptors such as mean, median, and standard deviation. This function allows a user to get a high-level view of the statistical attributes of that column. To understand correlation, we can use the scatterplot function, which allows us to examine whether there are correlations between two variables in a data frame. A scatterplot can be extended across all the columns in the data frame into what's known as a scatterplot matrix. This visualization allows us to examine correlation for more than two columns at a time. The next type of visualization is called a histogram. This graph counts the number of instances of data in a certain value range and uses bars to show the distribution of those values. This visualization gives us an understanding of the shape of the distribution of a certain column. The last statistics-based visualization I will discuss is called a box plot. This graph is a visual representation of the statistical descriptors from the describe function. Each box shows the quantile range, minimum, maximum, and mean values. In this set of videos, we're going to look at the way these statistical descriptors and visualizations assist in the ability for building operation professionals to analyze thermal comfort feedback data from a population of occupants.